Hey y'all, so here I am. I'm doing a Dossier unboxing. I did their Black Friday sale. This is the first of 2 shipments. Now the only thing is I did buy one fragrance twice, so I have to return that. But I'm gonna do an unboxing and first time smell for the ones that I have not smelled. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I personally like from the last order I did. Now I got Powdery Coconut. Love this one, love this one. And the Gourmet White Flowers, which is a dupe of the Victor and Roll Flower Balm. And I forgot what this one's a dupe of. It's a Marc Jacobs. No, not a Marc Jacobs. It's a Tom Ford. I think it's Tom Ford Coconut. So these two, love them. I love these. I also got the Floral Marshmallow again. And I didn't order the Amber Saffron again. I wasn't really a big fan of that. But the Gourmet Flower Balm, I got the extreme one this time. This was my absolute favorite. I would get the 100 ml. So I'm not going to smell these because I already like how they smell. But I am going to do the 4 that I have not smelled. So first off, this is the Floral Violet. You know what? Let me pause it and let me pull up what they're dupes of. So the first one is Floral Violet. It's inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy. Something on my foot. Now it says top notes: watermelon, pomelo, and strawberry. Middle notes: violet, gardenia, and jasmine. Base notes: musk, vanilla, and blonde wood. So let's smell. Oh. That smells really good. I like that. This is very me, very me. I like this a lot. This is a good everyday. This is a good everyday. Now putting on. Next is Amber Peach. Let me pause it. Okay, so the Amber Peach is inspired by Tom Ford's Bitter Peach. It says top notes: peach, orange, bitter almond, and cardamom. Middle notes: jasmine, Davana S, rum, vetiver. Base notes: patchouli, vanilla, oak moss, and tonka bean. So let's smell it. It smells good, but I don't really smell the peach. It smells good though. This is like not a good everyday, but a good going out. It's very strong, but this smells good. This is a good like fall or winter. Like New Year's, this will be perfect for New Year's. So next, let me pause. So next is Fruity Jasmine. This is inspired by Dior J'adore. Top notes are mandarin, green leaves, and sweet pea. Middle notes are jasmine, lang lang, champaka. I don't know, I butchered that. Peach, and then base notes are sandalwood, plum, and musk. Now you see, I love musk. It just works best with my body type. I love musk. I don't like citrus. It doesn't work well with my body chemistry. I'm trying to find the right words to say. It does not work well with my body chemistry. I feel like it makes me feel a little bit musty, versus musk complements my body chemistry better because I do sweat a lot. Okay, this is Fruity Jasmine. Oh my god, this is nice and fresh and light. This smells really good. This is every day. You can wear this one every day. This smells really good. I like this one a lot. Oh, this smells good. I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Now, my last one is, this is a Dossier original. Now, Aaliyah Face, she did a video on this perfume. She said she really liked it, so for, I think I paid like 20 bucks, why not try it? So top notes are pink pepper, pear, and vegan honey. Middle notes are rose, weed, and saffron. Let me close my door. Base notes, vanilla, myrrh, musk, and plum. Now this is weed and rose on fire. The Genderless collection. Dossier original. I don't know if you can see. There we go. So let's smell it. You can't really smell it. So let's spray it. It smells good, but it's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. Very subtle. I can smell the rose. Smells good. This one smells good. Definitely good for a night out versus every day. I don't know if this will go well during the day, but definitely for like a nice dinner, going out with friends, something like a concert. Definitely a going out fragrance, just like the Amber Peach. It's not necessarily an everyday wear like the Gourmet White Flowers, the Powdery Coconut, the Fruity Jasmine one I tried, and the what was the other one? Oh, and this Floral Violet. Those are good everydays. Perfect everydays. So let me look up this Powdery Jasmine so I can tell you which one it's inspired by. So yeah, this is inspired by Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. So I love this one. There's really no... I just love it. Now, it is a little on the peppery side. So its top notes are cardamom, pistachio, and bergamot. Middle notes are ylang ylang, tuberose, and jasmine. And then base notes are cedarwood, amber, benzoin, and coconut. Now, this is like a little bit on the peppery side, but like I said, I do like a little bit more of a musk. So this is a good everyday for me. I love it. It's not for everybody. I'm not going to say it's for everybody. It definitely is like if you like a certain fragrance. But I love it. I love it. I fell in love. I love a little like peppery, spicy note in my perfume. I do. So yeah, these are my, this is my part 1 of my Dossier unboxing and smelling. You know, I love their perfumes. I don't know if I'll go to another brand because the bang I get from my buck, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 perfumes for $170. Now, it's actually $150 because I bought 2 of the same one. So that's great for me. And these are going to last me at least the first 6 months. And I do have another order. It's not as many. I think it's 4. And I will do an unboxing of those and smell for those, you guys. So thank you for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know if you guys try the products and if you like them. Thank you. Bye.